Probably the most poisonous plant owners. Every part of this plant is full of toxins. An oleander's poison is so strong, in fact, that it can poison a person who simply eats the honey made by bees that have digested oleander nectar. Despite its deadly nature, it is planted for decorative purposes. The oleander produces a lovely fragrance. However, the animals stay away. They are often used for highway barriers. Its rapid growth is used to prevent erosion at new construction sites. Oleander is poisonous to most animals as well as humans. Ingestion of oleander leaves has caused deaths in human beings, though the toxin remains deadly for approximately the first 24 hours after ingestion. The odds of survival increase dramatically if the patient survives for a few hours. For successful treatment, the patient is induced to vomit. Their stomach may be pumped, or they may be fed activated charcoal to absorb as much of the poison as possible. Found mainly in the marshy areas of the American continent, this plant contains a deadly toxin, kikutoxin, which is concentrated mainly in the roots. Unfortunately, the white roots of the plant are often mistaken for the parsnip. Over the decades, it has earned itself a reputation of one of the deadliest plants on the planet. Kikutoxin causes violent and painful convulsions, nausea, vomiting, cramps, and muscle tremors. Those who survive the poisoning experience long-term health conditions such as amnesia. No amount of water hemlock root is considered safe to ingest. Livestock have long been affected, leading to the common name cowbane. Poisoning in livestock is common and typically occurs following ingestion of roots of the plant. In the spring, when the ground is soft, grazing animals tend to pull the entire plant out of the ground, ingesting both the foliage and the roots. Roots exposed by plowing can also be source of livestock poisonings. Ingestion of plant material may cause death in the animal in as little as 15 minutes. Possessing beautiful fruits, the rosary pea contains black and red seeds, used extensively in making imported jewelry. They are popular as rosary prayer beads. The pea seeds contain the poison abrine. The seeds are completely safe until they are crushed or the outer coating is damaged. Due to obvious reasons, it poses a greater danger to the jewelry maker than the wearer. These are aggressively growing creepers, which can cover a whole region if not kept in check. Abrine. The rosary pea poison is much more poisonous than ricin. About 2.5 milligrams of abrine is enough to kill a human, and each pea possesses more poison than the above-mentioned amount. It inhibits protein synthesis by bonding with the cell membranes. Symptoms of rosary pea inhalation poisoning are difficult breathing, fever, nausea, and fluid in the lungs. If ingested and the seed coating is broken, rosary pea seeds cause severe nausea and vomiting, which eventually leads to dehydration and ends with the kidneys, liver, and spleen shutting down. Death usually follows within 3 to 4 days. Probably the plant with the scariest name. The deadly nightshade grows to a height of 1.5 meters and can be recognized by the dull, dark green leaves and bell-shaped purple flowers. The sweet and juicy fruits make them tempting for children, though it is found sparsely in the wild regions. It is limited to cultivation. It's one of the very few plants which are deadly for human beings but completely safe for animals and birds. The deadly poison attacks the nervous system, rendering the nerve endings in involuntary muscle paralysis. Symptoms include dilated pupils, sensitivity to light, blurred vision, headaches, confusion, and convulsions. As few as 2 ingested berries can kill a child, and 10 to 20 berries would kill an adult. Even handling the plant could cause irritation. Castor plant originated in Africa and is now found worldwide. It bears yellowish-green flowers with a red center. The leaves are large with toothed edges. In ancient times, the castor bean was used in ointments. Cleopatra applied the oil to the whites of her eyes to brighten them. You must have heard about castor oil, a milk-tasting vegetable oil used as a food additive. Flavoring in candy production, laxative, and to induce labor. It is derived from the plant seeds, which are 40 to 50% oil. This plant contains the deadly toxin, ricin. Ricin is found high concentrations in the seed coating. Though seed poisoning are rare, there have been fatalities. Symptoms of castor poisoning include nausea, abdominal cramps, vomiting, internal bleeding, and kidney and circulation failure. Many people suffer from an allergic reaction to the dust from the seeds and may experience coughing, muscle aches, and difficulty breathing. Exposure to the dust is most common in areas where the beans are processed for commercial use.